everyone, this is Kiko Vlog, si Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin ito ng reaction video. Ang duet ni Ruel Carino and ni Karen, if I'm not mistaken. So the title of the said song, nakita ko lang actually, ang gagawin ko lang talaga dapat ng reaction video, isang kay Ruel Carino lang na performance. So, may nag-comment kasi na KJ nag-ano sila ni Karen, nag-duet sila ni Karen. So, this is Ruel Carino and Karen Estrup. Did I pronounce it correctly? Ang title ng kanta is Something Stupid. Actually, first time ko itong marinig itong kantang tong Something Stupid. So, I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this one. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out. What Ruel Carino and what do you call this? Sino pa to? Karen has to offer. Pero sa mga magtatanong diyan, baka naman magtatanong pa kayo kung KJ hindi mo nagawa ng reaction video ang kanyang solo performance. Ginawa ko siya ng reaction video. Yan pa nga yung pinakauna kong in-upload today. So scroll down lang kayo dun sa channel ko. Makikita nyo yan dyan. So yeah, without further ado, let's start this reaction video.
Thank you.
Shout out!
Thank you. Success.
Ito rin, meron pa tayong isang online request
Ano, online request pala ang tawag dito.
from
Early.
Early
Llamas.
Llamas Equipado.
Early Llamas.
Something stupid. Duet daw si Roel and si Karen.
Ay,
Kaya mo,
something
Roel?
stupid. Talaga
Kaya mo
ba?
Kaya ko ba?
Sige nga.
Karen, go Roel.
Sige
Kaya
nga.
ba naman
At saan
natin?
dalahin? Correct.
You win.
Ay, iba. Parang may Carino na naman ang kantang to. For today's video, charet! May Carino na naman. Ba't parang kinikilig ang bunso natin kay Karen? Uy, bunso! Ano ba? Ilang taon pa lang siya? 16 or 15 if I'm not mistaken. Diyos ko, sinasabi ko sa bunso, pigilan mo yan, career muna. Paano naman kasi ang kanta? Parang kinakarinyo din naman talaga tayo.
I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with
Wait lang, can someone comment down below kung may mga ganitong klaseng request? Rini-rehearse nila? Kasi di ba parang on the spot to eh. Pero kung rini-rehearse nila, there's nothing wrong about that naman. Pero alam ko on the spot kasi siya. So basically, walang rehearsal na nangyayari. Pero alam ng banda kung paano i-play. Baka may rehearsal. No? I don't know ha. Pero kung walang rehearsal, ang galing nila ha. Kasi nag-jive talaga ang bosses nila. Anyways. Ay, wait lang. Wait lang, may nalata lang ako sa kanila for today's video. Bakit twinning ang kanilang mga damit? Bakit twinning? What is twinning for today's video? Yan ang sinasabi ko. Yan na nga ba talaga ang sinasabi ko for today? Ala, dear, may chemistry din sila ha. Grabe yung low notes ni Karen. I really love ano talaga, mga singers na ang galing sa low notes. Tsaka stable ang ugat ni Karen. Tsaka stable. Wait lang, ano yung ano ni Karen? Half, di ba si Karen? American ba siya o British? Or German? Ay! Hindi tayo kikiligin sa minoridad. For today's video, sinasabi ko sa inyo, Diyos ko, datinginan. Ala, wala na.
And though it's just a line to you, for me it's true, it never seems so right before.
Wala na talaga to, ma'am.
I practice every day to find some clever lines to say to make the meaning come true.
Come true.
But then I think I'll wait until the evening gets late and I'm alone with you.
You. Hindi. Galing ng, alam mo, ang galing ng alalay ni Karen dito. Ang hirap niya na, i-stable mo yung ganyang tono. Tapos, second voice kasi ang ginawa dito for today's video ni Karen. Nag-second voice siya. Ang hirap niyan. Kasi, mawawala ka at mawawala ka, lalo wala silang earpiece, 'no? Wala silang earpiece, so I don't know kung naririnig nila yung kinakanta niya, pero stable ang boses ni Karen. Ay, magaling pala si Karen. Noel, bakit titing na titing ka kay Karen? Ay, huwag titing ng pagmamahal talaga yan, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Noel, sinasabi ko sa'yo, Noel, pigilan mo yan, bata ka pa. Sinasabi ko sa'yo yan, Noel. Hala, wala na. Wala na. Saan dalahin? Galing ni Karen? Okay. I love you.
One more time.
We love you, Dabarkans.
Lakas naman maka-feel good, no?
Galing natin. Galing. Galing.
Ang galing niyo. Oo. Nagpakilig nga kayo. Ilitin nga natin. Hindi pala full ano. Ito. Ulitin natin ha. Ito na. Saan dalahin? Go! Ay, Carinho, brutal. Charing.
I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace that ends, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me. And afterwards we drop into a quiet little place.
Ang galing ni Karen.
And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I can see it in your eyes, you still despise the same lies you heard the night before. And though it's just a line to you, for me it's true, it never seems so right before.
Wow.
I practice every day to find some clever lines to say to make the meaning come true. But then I think
Hey baby, good afternoon.
it gets late and I'm alone with you. The time is right, your perfume fills my head, the sun gets red and all the nights so blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like
Love you.
Dabarkans.
I love you. Kinikilig si Akla. Bakit naman kinikilig si Akla for today's video? Atake.
We love you, Dabarkans.
Anyways, that is our for today's video from Karen and Roel. This is KGMO Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye.